signal stuff down here under the New Buffalo Railroad Museum. Here's a mast with no base, but a crossbuck and 2-track sign. And over there's a Surmy base, and then a pair of Syntran 12x24 inchers. Wonder if they plan to build a signal. There's a cap there too. Here's some rail cars. There's a Pullman and a chassis boxcar, and this is the depot. There's also a crossbuck up over there. And there's a Sterling M10. But yeah, this is a cool little find right here. Just some random signal parts under this museum. This is in New Buffalo, Michigan. Over and out.